Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Adam, and I got my helper here.
Jack.
Yep. And if you've seen some of our videos, Jack and I worked on this go-kart that, what did
Only
we pay?
costed $30.
$30, yeah.
For the what is it called? The new brake pedal. Not the pedal, but the brake.
Yep.
And what is it called?
Carburetor.
Carburetor. Yeah.
Yep. So I was at a job and got this for free.
Yep.
And Jack and I put a new brake cylinder on it,
And
a new carburetor on it, and it started right up.
Yep.
And it had brand new tires when we got it, and Jack has worn them basically into slicks.
I only did a couple drifts. Okay.
Yep.
Don't judge. You would do the same.
So today we're running into a problem. Jack gets home from school and
it's dark.
Yeah, it's dark.
And we drive the go-kart. I almost hit a car. Or I didn't, but
you almost hit your brother.
Yeah.
But anyway,
5-year-old.
so solution
Lights.
is some lights, some LEDs up here.
Thing.
And yeah, we're thinking maybe up here
Like that.
and on the other side. So we've got some LEDs. We've got a battery.
Lawnmower battery.
Yep, lawnmower battery. Now this go-kart wasn't
overkill.
set up for having lights or a battery or anything like that, so it doesn't have a charging system.
Yep.
So
We'll have to put one in.
we'll have to, well, no, we're just going to run it on the battery because it'll last plenty while you're riding it.
Oh.
And then we'll just charge it when it starts going dead.
Oh.
So not a big deal, but we do have to weld a battery box back here by the motor.
Right there.
And we'll have to run wiring
Through the go-kart.
and we'll have to have a light switch up here on the dashboard.
Yeah.
And while we're at it, we're going to fix the on-off switch.
Yep, because it's kind of annoying. I drive into the garage. You have to come and turn off the go-kart when I could just...
Yeah. So we're going to take this dash off right now and give us a little extra room.
Yep.
And see if we can get these lights figured out, or at least a plan going. So stick around.
Okay.
All right, guys, it is the next night, and I am back without my buddy Jack, and just trying to take care of some of the planning stages, which are kind of boring for him. But I think I've got everything figured out, and actually came across a pretty good find earlier. So let's go with where we're at right now. Now we have two different styles of lights. We've got these, which I've determined we're going to go up here as somewhat of a headlight. And then we have the mini light bar, which we're going to weld the piece down here and should illuminate where he's driving pretty good. So got all those taken care of, or planned on where they're going to go. And then also got some automotive wire to 18 gauge to wire this all up. But while I had some time, I also wanted to try to figure out what was going on with the kill switch on this. Should be fairly easy. And yeah, I'm going to bring you a little closer, show you what I found. So it's going to look pretty mean with a couple headlights and a light bar down there. But back here under the seat, we've got a wire that comes from the switch, and this end is broken off, and I don't see another wire anywhere, so I'm not sure where it was. I added a couple zip ties under here because that wire was just dangling, 4 or 5 inches. So obviously, some grass or a twig or something got a hold of it, ripped it loose of where it's supposed to go. The other wire goes up to the engine, which makes sense. So this should just be a ground wire. So let's hook up some alligator clips to it, see if we can ground it out, and see if that if the kill switch, on-off switch, whatever you want to call it, is working. So here we go. Okay, we'll get her started. We'll put the switch in the off position. Nothing happening. Take the other end of the alligator clip. Go to a bolt. I don't know if you can see that. We'll try it again, get you a little closer. Turn off the switch. See the sparks? That works. So we got that figured out. I'm going to bring some, I've got some little stainless steel bolts that I'm going to put one right there, drill a hole, and attach it to that. And then kill switch will be working great. So excited about that. And as for tonight, I think we're going to call it a night. I need to get home and see the boys. So see what we can get done tomorrow. Okay, I've already set the angle on the bracket. So we're going to feed that wire up around where it goes. This is going to be fun. Get a washer and a lock nut on it. No, really, that wasn't too bad. Okay. All right, let's see what size that is and get that tightened up. Like ½ inch is going to do it. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's just, for fun, test her out. Let me know if you see anything. Guess it would help to turn them on. Nice. I can see it from back here. Okay, so wiring's all working good. I'm going to put you on a time lapse and get this buttoned up a little better and get this wiring in better place. And yeah, we'll go from there.